All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. I got the battle box right here. Gonna do a quick video. Gonna show you what I got here. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Before I get into that, check it out. Battle box. You guys know they send this to the channel here every single month. And I pretty much come here and open it up and I show it to you guys. That's pretty much what I do. Now, if you go into the battle box channel, they actually do a fantastic job showing you all this. So battle box is a subscription box. You got your basic, your advanced, your pro. Pro plus has a knife, and again, a bunch of cool guys to send you gear, and obviously it's gonna cost money, right? So again, depends which one you get. It depends how much money you pay. Obviously, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. I've been putting a lot of videos here in the channel, and I've been enjoying it a ton. Some of the videos are getting me into troubles, but you know, it is what it is. So let me just go ahead and start showing you some of the stuff that comes in this month's box. This is going to be Mission 69, and again, you know, pretty cool. You got some cool stuff there. You can see it right there. So that's pretty much an overview of everything that it comes in the box. Really cool knife that I'm about to show you. Mission 69, little book. And again, you know, it's going to cover every single details and things like that. So basic box. This is the number one, right? Again, before I get into that, let me show you this. I don't want to forget the stickers. So little sticker there, 20%, another 20%. So bam, let me stick that in there. So the first thing is going to be this wrap right here. And the thing about this wrap is that it's a wrap, or you know, let's see what it's called. It's called the Lower and Feel Blanket Sleeping Bag Strap. So obviously you put it around a sleeping bag, and you know, you have like a little strap, and kind of gonna show you a look right there. That's how it kind of looks. Obviously we're gonna have this blanket as well in the box, but again, little quick look right there. Pretty cool. Obviously, if you don't have this blanket right here, you could utilize it in any blanket or anything like that. Really nice to organize your equipment and organize your sleeping system and things like that. That's gonna run for about $24.95. So that's gonna be item number one. Item number two is gonna be about $9.99, and it's this thing. It's like a little fish, and again, it's for you to tie some nuts and things like that. So if essentially you got it here, and then you could wrap around this cord around whatever you wrapping it around, and then you could come back here and kind of, you know, do a bunch of this stuff. I mean, utilize it to like help you out to make a knot and things like that. So again, this is one of those things that a lot of imagination, however you're gonna use it, may be a beneficial to you or not. Kind of cool to put inside a little backpack or something like that. Now, next thing on the basic box is gonna be this right here. And maybe one day I'll tell you guys stories about getting lost in the Marine Corps. I'm horrible at land navigation. Horrible is very important. It's one of those skills that nowadays nobody have, because you have your cell phone and you could just, you know, open your cell phone and do things with your cell phone. But it's cool to know land navigation and understanding that this thing may get you out of a pickle, right? So you have this. It's going to be about $10.99. The last thing that I'm going to show you is actually very, very cool. You got this mattress right here, which is going to be about $12.95. It's called the Simple Typhoon Match Kit. And I actually saw the guys in BattleBox doing a demo, by the way. Check out BattleBox channel, subscribe, watch what they do, because it's pretty cool. They actually take the time to prove or show you every single thing, right? So again, before you spend a ton of money, definitely check out that, right? So again, you know, they did this, and I'm going to tell you, it was pretty impressive. You know, like, it takes a lot to turn this mattress off. And look how small it is. I mean, this is the kind of stuff that you could put inside a little backpack or something like that. And it really doesn't take that much space, right? You have your striking zone or your striking pad right there. So that's going to be the basic box. Everything you got in there. Now, we're going to go into the advanced. The advanced box is going to be this blanket right here. And let me come in here to this camera right there. This thing is awesome. It's heavy. It's strong. It tells me that I mean, you will be able to go to sleep with this thing comfortable and not get too cold. So again, it says it right there. Lower and Feel, fire resisting, I think it is. Let me look at it. It values about $40, so that's not bad. Lower and Feel Trading Company fire resistant wool blanket. So I think the last time they did this one, they did a green one that was pretty awesome. And I also, let me switch to this camera. And I also had it, and it was pretty fantastic. So again, really, really cool. About $39 right there. You got it. And let me see if it says anything cool in here. Fire resistant, resistant to mold, bacteria, can keep you warm even when wet. Also great addition to your to your car. Again, I remember back in a couple years ago in Georgia, actually, people in Georgia got stuck in cold weather. It was really bad. I mean, who thinks about that in Georgia, right? It's cold, but not that cold. And a lot of people got into a lot of issues, and a lot of people got into a lot of trouble. So it's kind of nice to have something like this that you could put in the back of your car, and if something happened, you have it there, right? So that's going to be the Vans box, about 40 bucks. Let me put it right here. Actually excited about this. Bam, $55 right here. And everybody knows what this is, right? So you see it right there. I'm not going to open it, but you see it right there. It's going to be Coleman, obviously a lantern. And I'm going to tell you, living in a state where there's hurricanes and things like that, man, these things are so cool. Pushes out 1,000 lumens. And I'm going to tell you, I was actually thinking about buying one of this. Now I don't have to buy it. That's pretty cool, right? Now I have it right here, and I don't have to buy it, right? It's about $55. Obviously, you can use it camping, hiking, hunting, fishing. I mean, you name it, right? Coleman has been around for a long time, and these things right here are very common or very popular in the community, right? People have this. They've been using it for a long time, and again, this is just fantastic. So that's going to be the Pro box, and you know what? I'm excited about it. I think it's a good addition about this. Now, let me see what else. Knife of the month. I like this knife. I really do. It's oh wow, I don't even know how to say. It's about $74 right there. You see it right there, 904 series. And let's open it up. And wow, it looks nice. I was just playing with it, and it looks, obviously comes in this cool case right here. And here it is. The first thing that I would tell you is that it's so light that it's ridiculous. When I hold it in my hand, I was like, really? That's it? It doesn't weigh more than that? That's kind of what I was thinking. I said, wow. And when you open the blade, man, look at this blade right here. Very, very cool design. I mean, this thing looks nice. Looks mean. Looks like a nice EDC. Like something that you could just, I mean, the ergonomics. Look at that. And look at this blade. This blade is mean, man. This is a nice looking blade. Look at that. I mean, it looks like it's really nice. My wife was actually cutting the box a little bit, and she was like, oh, wow, it's pretty sharp. And as you can see, the contour, the ergonomics of the knife looks really, really nice. Again, I like the clip. I'm going to do a video on this knife just alone because it looks really, really cool. I believe the steel is going to be D2, if I remember correctly from the video. Let's see what it says right here. Yeah, D2 steel. And green G10 handle. Let's see what else. All right, I'm gonna leave some of these things when I do the video. But again, let me see. Look at that thing. Let's switch cameras right here. Woo, like that. Man, it freaking comes out. It deploys really, really nice. Yeah, feels good. Feels really good. Look at that. So, anyways, that's about it, guys. That's the whole BattleBox Mission 69, I believe. Big shout out to BattleBox for sending this box here to the channel. We definitely appreciate that. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.